Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to get some tweaked applications on your iDevice without having the need to be jailbroken. So with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so like I said, this video is needed for anyone that does not have a jailbreak or accidentally lost their jailbreak regarding a boot loop or anything in that nature. So if you guys lost your jailbreak some way, somehow, and you guys do not have your SSH blobs in order to downgrade back to that particular iOS version to be jailbroken, then you go ahead and just follow along. So let me go ahead and just show you guys what applications I have pre-given for you guys. So I do have Instagram++, WhatsApp, Spotify, Twitter, Pandora, as well as the UFC++ application. So these are just some of the top applications that I think that you guys might want and use on your iDevice. Now, you guys might be asking right now, where's Snapchat++? I will be making a tutorial on that since the tutorial on that is a little bit more complicated and complex than this. So if you guys want, go ahead and leave a like as well as a comment down below if you guys want to see a Snapchat++ tutorial without having the need to be jailbroken. So go ahead and choose whatever IPA or application that you guys want and download it. The links will be inside of the description below. So from there, you guys will also need to have Cydia Impactor installed on your Mac OS or Windows computer. So from there, go ahead and fire up Impactor and connect your device. So I ran into this problem earlier before making this video. So I do have iOS App Signer as well. So if you guys have this problem too, like me, but just remember guys, iOS App Signer is only for the Mac version. So from here, what you guys want to do is go ahead and grab whatever application. So like I said before, this is only if you run into problems. So for Cydia Impactor, we're just going to go and work on it first. So Spotify++ is going to be dragged inside of Cydia Impactor. It will ask us to enter our iTunes email login, so go ahead and just enter your credentials. Now, once you enter that, you guys want to go ahead and enter the passcode corresponding to that email, then press OK. Now, just in case you guys get some type of error just like this, since right here it says application already installed as incompatible team, go ahead and choose Xcode right here, revoke certificates, enter your guys' iTunes email and password once more to revoke it. So once you guys enter it correctly, you will get a notification saying revoke certificates and the amount of certificates that you guys revoke. Go ahead and press OK after that. Now, once you guys do that, go ahead and just drag the Spotify IPA inside of Cydia Impactor once more, and you guys should be good to go. Now, like me, since I do a lot of side loading on my application, on my iDevice, I will run into a lot of errors. So this is for the Mac OS versions only for any of the users that are having this problem. So right here, I do have a modded Spotify right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. Now with iOS App Signer, go ahead and just drag that Spotify ++ application in here. Then signing certificate, you want to click on the drop down and choose whichever iTunes email that you guys want to use. So mine's going to be that one. Provisioning profile, go ahead and just press resign only. Application ID, just type out Spotify or anything you guys want. Display name, go ahead and just choose whatever you want. I just put Spotify ++. App version, it doesn't really matter, and then app short version, it doesn't really matter as well. Once you guys have that, go ahead and press start, and then it will ask where you want to save the IPA. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop, and I'm just going to name it as Spotify ++1. Then I'm going to go ahead and press save, and iOS App Signer will start to do its thing. Now give it a couple minutes, since it will take about 2 minutes in total in order for it to recompile the application with Cydia Impactor. Now with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just bring up my iOS window right here. Now as you guys can see in the top right hand corner right here, Spotify ++1 IPA is done. So this is the re-signed version. I'm going to go ahead and just drag it inside of Cydia Impactor once more. Then go ahead and just enter your credentials again. Now I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Then it starts to do its thing a lot better than before. Now like I said, this iOS App Signer was just for me. If you guys are running some type of error regarding sideloading the IPA on your iDevice, just use iOS App Signer and just follow what I just did with the corresponding application that you guys want to install. So most of the time for you guys, Cydia Impactor will just go ahead and just sideload the application on your iDevice very fluidly, and you guys will not have to run into problems. But this is just for the people that are on a Mac and are having a problem like what I am right now. So as you guys can see, Spotify is being transferred to my iDevice right now with that blue bar almost at the very end, and soon it will be on my iDevice. Alright, so it's extracting package, so it should be done in a couple seconds. Alright, so it's completed, and you guys can see a return to my springboard. I'm gonna swipe over to the right one more time, and you guys can see Spotify ++ is right there. But if we go ahead and launch it up, it will ask us to trust our certificate. So just go into settings, general, profiles, and device management, then accept your certificate first. So once that is done, go ahead and launch up the new Spotify ++ or application that you guys have. Now as you guys can see, Spotify ++ is running perfectly without having the need to be jailbroken. But like I said, I am jailbroken right now, so it is going to show. But this works completely if you guys are unjailbroken. So I'm just going to go ahead and just log in really quickly. Alright, so I just logged in. As you guys can see, Spotify ++ will want me to send some notifications to my iDevice. As you guys can see, I do have everything inside of Spotify. So like right here, I got some of my playlists that I was listening to beforehand, my account, I have premium, and there you guys go. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. And I am running on Spotify ++ without having the need to be jailbroken, but I am in fact in this video. But like I said before, this will work if you guys are not jailbroken too. So if you guys like this video and you guys want to see that Snapchat ++ tutorial instead, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also comment if you guys want to see that too. Don't forget to subscribe to get tutorials just like this in the future, as well as a ton more jailbreak content in the future. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on anything jailbreak related and what's been going on inside of the jailbreak world. So with that being said, guys, to see you guys in my next video, this is EliteAppleHacks signing out.